Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST Fulcrum waterproof CE full gauntlet gloves. Okay, the all-new Fulcrum waterproof gauntlet glove retails for $89.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes. Only the product itself has been completely redesigned. Start off with sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves. What do you know? I got a 2X on these, and I've got a good fit, okay? We did a whole bunch of RST videos today. I liked every single product except for this one. Okay, I literally just got done doing another pair of waterproof full grain leather gauntlet gloves preceding this one. Those are the S1. They have more features, more benefits, fit and feel great, and retail for only $20 more at $109.99. If you're looking at these, I'm going to recommend right now you just go over and buy those. This glove it's okay. And what I don't like about it is the liner. You know, when you get a glove that's insulated with a waterproof membrane like this, the way the liner is fixed inside the glove can really make or break the glove. This one, the way it's fixed in there, it moves around a fair spot when you go to pull your hands out. So when you go to put them back in, you got to kind of really get in there and mess around and get everything realigned before you can get them back on. Once you do that, they fit and feel pretty good. For me, that's kind of a deal breaker, okay? Love the guys and girls at RST, love the gear. This is probably the most negative video I've ever done on their stuff. They're not horrible gloves, you know, but oftentimes brands get kind of trapped into this, you know, we got to get something at this price point, we got to get something at that price point in the same segment. I disagree with that. I think what you should do is make a great waterproof gauntlet leather riding glove like you did with the S1, sell it for a fair price at the $109 and call it good. No reason to come in at the lower price point, because in order to get the price point lower, you have to sacrifice certain things. And if any customer compares those head to head, as I just had the opportunity to do so, they're 100% every time picking the one that is $20 more. What else do we have here? Got a carbon knuckle protector, motion panels, knuckle protectors, see that here in the thumb. Entry and exit, we've got a safety strap at the wrist, volume adjustment for the gauntlet. Up here at the top, overlays in the high traffic area. I've got some protection here in the impact and abrasion zone for the pinky, the side of the palm, and of course the palm itself. Got some foam inserts behind that, leather there, exterior, to help manage impact and protection. That's another area where the S1 really shines. It has the plastic palm slider on it, which is a big step up from this. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride. Choose the S1.